Welcome to our channel. Today, we're analyzing auction coin's price movement and why the $15 to $16 support zone is crucial right now. After a major drop, auction coin is approaching a key level. The market cap stands at $122 million, with trading volume picking up to $12 million. Despite the price decline, the volume to market cap ratio is nearly 90%, showing strong market activity. More importantly, selling pressure is decreasing, which could indicate a potential reversal ahead. Looking at the 2-day chart, the RSI is at an important support level near the 50s, yet the price continues to fall. This suggests that while further downside is possible, we may soon see consolidation in this range before an upward move. However, without proper accumulation and stability, any sudden pump may not be sustainable. For now, patience is key. Sideways price action and consolidation in this range will be crucial before a potential recovery. If auction coin holds this level, we might see an upward trend in the coming weeks. As always, do your own research before making any trading decisions. If you found this update helpful, like the video, and if you're new, subscribe with notifications on for more updates. See you next time.